mula sa bayan ng Tumawini. Kay siyempre galing Tumawini ang school head, kaya galing karamihan sa mga bisita ay galing Tumawini. Okay, nandito ang ating mga masters. Sir Erickson Toto from Tumawini Standalone, Sir JB Bisera from Tumawini Standalone Senior High School, and Sir Ryan Bacani from Lanna National High School, ang gwapong boyfriend ni Ma'am Karil. Si Ma'am Karil ang girlfriend niya sa Delphine Albano. Hindi natin alam sa ibang bayan sa ND1. Makala ka tino rabii kailangan hindi tayo magtatabi. Okay, so siyempre ang aking teammates, the teachers of Carmencita Elementary School, and of course sa ating mga parents na nagpagod at nag-effort to prepare our children's park. Agyaman naklaunay kada kayo amin. Alam ko po yung efforts at pagod ninyo kasama ng mga teachers natin. Kahit Sabado, Linggo o holiday, bumagyo man, ay nandito pa rin kayo to prepare our children's park. Alam naman natin na ang intention ng ating children's park ay hindi para sa paligsahan, di ba? At hindi para sa premyong makukuha natin. Bagkus yung layunin natin ay para pagandahin ang ating paaralan, dahil ang lahat ng ginagawa natin ay para sa ating mga mag-aaral. Hindi po ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay? At ang paaralan na ito ay hindi pagmamay-ari ni school head, hindi pagmamay-ari ng mga teachers, kung hindi pagmamay-ari ng komunidad ng Carmencita, na sa darating na mga araw ay magiging komunidad din ng ibang barangay. Dahil soon, if God's grace, by God's grace, we will cater grade 7 learners once ma-approve ang ating conversion for the integrated school. Okay, so for that, good morning and thank you.
Thank you, sir. And now, Ma'am Karil de la Cruz will now present to us the Board of Judges and reading of the criteria in search for the best children's park.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the search for the best children's park here in Carmencita Elementary School. I am honored to introduce our esteemed panel of judges. First, we have Sir Erickson G. Toto, a potential teacher 2 of Tumawini Standalone Senior High School. With his extensive experience in education and his passion for children's welfare, Sir Erickson brings a unique perspective to the judging panel. Next, we have Sir Ryan B. Bacani, also a brilliant teacher 2 of Lanna National High School, known for his sharp intellect and innovation. Sir Ryan is sure to provide valuable insights and perspective in this endeavor. And finally, we have the esteemed and able Sir J.B. M. Bisera, a Master Teacher 1 of Tumawini Standalone Senior High School, who will serve as the chairman of the judging panel. With his wealth knowledge and experience in education, he will ensure that this event is conducted fairly and that the best children's park is selected and recognized. Please join me in welcoming our panel of judges.